Now I'll arrange and design a few plastic bottles by attaching them together like this. Then I use a string to tightly bind the bottles together. And just like that, I've created a system for planting and watering. Give it a try, my friend. Here's a little tip for reusing plastic bottles at home. Design them to look like small cups. The process is quite simple. For a 1-liter plastic bottle, use heat to separate it like this. Then puncture several holes in the bottle cap. Continue by moving off the bottom. Then use heat again to make a large hole in it. Attach the two parts back together. Fill with soil and plant your seeds. It is super simple and so interesting to try. This flower pot looks beautiful, doesn't it? I made it by repurposing an empty laundry detergent bottle. Once the bottle is clean and dry, use a pen to mark a line on one side. Then repeat the same marking on the opposite side for symmetry. Next, draw 2 overlapping heart shapes on the front, and do the same on the back, including the handle area. After the design is complete, use a sharp clipping tool to carefully move out the hearts, making sure to be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic. Once the pieces are moved, I shape the edges neatly and flip the sections before reattaching them in reverse. Then, I screwed the cap back on securely. To finish, I added a few hand-drawn flowers to decorate the surface, turning an ordinary plastic bottle into a creative, charming, and eco-friendly flower pot. Why don't you give this wonderful work a try? Recycling plastic bottles is always a useful activity. Attach the two parts together, screw the cap back on, fill with soil, and plant something inside. However, you'll need to punch a few holes at the top so that water can drain when watering, allowing the plant to grow well. Let's create another lovely planter together. It's simple and fun. Start with an empty laundry detergent bottle and draw a horizontal line around the middle. Then add curved lines near the top for decoration. Don't forget to mark the handle area too. Once marked, use a metal clipping tool to carefully move out small sections, forming cute arched holes for airflow and drainage. These add charm to the design. Next, shape the handle to resemble a flower or a small sprayer for a playful touch. Finally, fill it with soil and plant your favorite greenery. Let's keep going with another creative idea. Take a used laundry detergent bottle and mark it carefully, following the measurements I've shown. On the handle area, draw a cute little face. Feel free to get playful with it. Then, using a metal clipping tool, move out sections on both sides to create arched windows that add charm and ventilation. Lift the top part and draw an elephant ear, or even add a trunk for extra fun. Clip and shape it gently, then reattach that piece to the top of the bottle. And just like that, you've made a fun, adorable elephant planter. If you like this planter, I'll show you how to make one using a white used laundry detergent bottle. Start by marking it like this, then add a few decorative lines below. Use a tool to separate the marked section. This will become the space where we plant. Do this carefully, as it determines how beautiful the final pot will look. Add a flower here, punch a few holes for drainage, fill with soil, and you're ready to plant. You should give it a try. You will love the result. Let's move on to our final creative project of the day. Start with a green plastic bottle. A used laundry detergent bottle is ideal. Use a bottle cap to trace curvy shapes around the sides to mimic ocean waves. Then, carefully move along the lines with a metal tool. Detach the top and bottom parts, punch a hole in the cap, and reattach them to form a 2-tiered planter. Add a few drainage holes at the bottom, fill it with soil, and plant your favorite greenery. Simple, fun, and eco-friendly.